Where am I? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They left me in school. They didn't wake me up. Wow, these guys. These guys are funny. Whatever. Just need to get the lights on. There's a computer here. It doesn't matter. I'll figure out something to do. Huh? What? What? I gotta get out of here. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Okay. There's an exit sign. I just gotta be quiet. I'll get out of here. This is fine. What? What? Are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Courtney? Courtney, what are you doing? Courtney? Hey, it's me. Ah!